Breek Safro. Today we are going to study about the ethyl form of class 3, 4 and 5. Ethyl form. Class 3. Model verb of the class 3 is ahi. The ethyl form of ahi is et ahi, means was given life. The conjugation of etahi, etahi, et ahias, etahit, etahit, etahit. Etahi means third person masculine singular. The fourth letter of this form is het. Het have e vowel, and second one is third person feminine singular, and fourth letter het. Next one youth. Youth have all vowel and connecting tab. Next one second person masculine singular, and fourth letter het. Het have e vowel connecting tab, and next one second person feminine singular, and het have e vowel youth connecting tab and youth. Youth indicate that the feminine form of the verb. Next one, last one is the first person common singular, and second person masculine singular and first person common are same form. The plural form of etahi is et ahiyu, et ahiin, et ahitun, et ahite, et ahina. Here the het have e vowel and youth have vowel, vav and ending form of the noun. This one is the third person masculine plural, and this one is the feminine form of the third person plural. Het have e vowel and youth have a vowel and ending form of noun. Third person feminine plural, and this one is the second person masculine form, and het have e vowel youth connecting the vav and ending form of the noun. Second person masculine plural, and this was the second person feminine plural. Het have e vowel, thou have no vowel, and youth have e vowel and connect ending form of noun. This one is the feminine plural. Last one is the first person common. Het have e vowel. Next one is noun. Noun have middle noun. Noun have vowel and ending form of noun. First person common plural. The other verbs are in this group is asi. The passive form of asi is et asi. Next one is fani. The passive form of fani is et fani. Next one is class 4. The modal verb of class 4 is bus. The ethyl form of bus is et buses. Was trampled. The conjugation of s basis, first form is the root form. Basis. third person masculine singular. Next one is yes, bas, sat, third person feminine singular. Next one is yet, beset, second person masculine singular. And next one is yes, besest, second person feminine singular. And last one yet, basas, first person common singular. The passive form of bus is yet bases. The ending letter are similar letters, that is same. We can see that the single tav is added in the ending form because the same is only connected in a right side. Then the plural form of yet bases. Yet ba se soon. Yet ba se sane. Yet ba ses tun. Yet ba ses ten. Last one is ba ses snan. This one is the third person masculine plural. Here the saying have two vowels. First saying have e vowel and second one have o vowel, and that is the third person masculine plural. Here the saying have a vowel and next saying have a vowel, u then connecting noun, third person feminine plural. And this saying have first saying have a vowel and second saying have without vowel, and single tav have u vowel, vav and ending form of noun, second person masculine plural. This one is the first saying have a vowel and next saying have without vowel, single tav and a vowel have u have a vowel and ending form of noun, second person feminine plural. And last one, we know that it is the common form of passive voice. Second letter base and third letter saying have a vowel and next saying have without vowel, and next one noun, middle noun have a vowel and ending form of noun. This one is the first person common plural. Other verbs in this group is gush. The passive form of gush is yet, gushes, and next is gus. Passive form of gus is yet, gases. This one form is a very complicated form. You should write down carefully. Next is the class 5. The modal verb of class 5 is dosh. The eth file form of dosh is yestish. The conjugation of esdish, first form is the root form esdish. Next one is dishas. Next one is yet, dishes, esdist. Next one is esdist. Last one is yet, dishes. Here the passive form of these have double ta. That is the only difference than the previous form. double tav is added in this form. This one is the third person masculine singular. And dishas, double tav, dolat, dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen have a vowel, and connecting the third person feminine singular. This the double tav. This is the form of passive form. Here double tav is added in this form. Dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen, and connecting tav. Second person masculine singular. And next one is double tav and dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen, and tav, and youth. Youth is the feminine sign of feminine form, second person feminine singular. And last one is hesdishas. Double tav, dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen have e vowel, and connecting the. This one is the first person common singular. In the plural form of this form, yet, est, dishesu, yet, dishesten, yet, dishestu, yet, dishesten. Last one, yet, dishesnan. Yes, this is the common form of eth file form. Dolat have e vowel. Next one is youth. Next letter is sheen have vowel, vav, and ending form of noon. Third person masculine plural. Yes, this is the common form of passive voice. Dolat have e vowel. Next one is youth. Next letter is sheen have a vowel, youth, and ending form of noon. This one is the feminine plural. And next one is the est. Est is the common form of passive voice. And next is the dolat. Dolat have e vowel, sheen, connecting thou, connecting cow have vowel, vav, and ending form of noon. This one is the masculine plural. Est is the eth file form of dosh, and dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen, and tav have a vowel, youth, and connecting noon. This one is the feminine plural. Yes, is the common form of eth file form. Dolat have e vowel, youth, sheen, noon have, middle noon have a vowel, and ending form of noon. This one is the first person common plural. Here we can see that the double tav, the first tav is pronounced the, and last tav is s. You may pronounce yes. And other verbs in these groups are som. The eth file form of som is est, seen. Next one is som. The eth file form of som is est, see. And last form com. Eth file form of com is ket, ki. In this conjugation only we had added the double tav. You should write down in your notebook. Taudi Sagi.